Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 27 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was, who released the Financial Stability Report 2020? ADB, World Bank, RBI, IMF. The correct answer here is option C, Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India always release the Financial Stability Report. Okay, the headquarters of the RBI is situated in Mumbai. It is founded in 1935, and the governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Is the governor of Reserve Bank of India. Our second question was, which country recently got observer status in World Trade Organization? Turkmenistan, Bangladesh, Russia, Japan. The correct answer here is Turkmenistan. Option A is correct here. Recently, Turkmenistan got the observer status in World Trade Organization. The headquarters of the World Trade Organization is in Geneva, Switzerland, and the Director General of the WTO is Roberto Azevedo. Roberto Azevedo is the Director General of WTO. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World IVF Day is observed? IVF means in vitro fertilization. When World In Vitro Fertilization Day is observed? 24 July, 25 July, 26 July, 27 July. The correct answer here is 25 July. Option B is correct here. World IVF Day, In Vitro Fertilization Day is observed on July 25. What is the means of the in vitro fertilization? If the fertilization occurs inside the laboratory in test tube, then it is known as in vitro fertilization. It symbolizes the significance of the in vitro fertilization technique. So in July 25, IVF Day is observed. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. India's first honey testing laboratory has been set up in which state? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Bihar, Maharashtra. The correct answer here is Gujarat. In Gujarat, option A is correct here. In Gujarat, India's first honey testing laboratory has been set up. The National Dairy Development Board in Anand district. The name of the district is Anand district. Gujarat is in news. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Chief Minister is Vijay Rupani, and Acharya Devrat is the governor of Gujarat. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 3. India will have 60% of its electricity from renewable energy by which year? 2022, 2025, 2030, 2032. The correct answer here is 2030. Option C is correct here. By 2030, India will have 60% of its electricity from the renewable energy. Okay, the renewable energy capacity would touch the 510 gigawatt by 2030. Okay. Next question. India's maternal mortality ratio MMR has dropped by how much percentage in 2016 to 18? 6.9, 7.4, 8, 8.6. The correct answer here is option B, 7.4. India's maternal mortality ratio has dropped by 7.4% from 2016 to 18. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. India has extended medical assistance of $1 million to which country? Italy, Nepal, North Korea, South Korea. The correct answer here is North Korea. Option C is correct here. India has extended medical assistance worth about $1 million to North Korea recently. Okay, it was done in response to a request received from the WHO, World Health Organization. Okay. Next question. Who will be the Chief Executive Officer of Microfinance Institution Network from August 1st? Alok Mishra, Harsh Srivastav, Arun Goyal. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Alok Mishra. Option A is correct here. Alok Mishra will be the Chief Executive Officer of the Microfinance Institution from August 1st. He will replace Harsh Srivastav. Recently the CEO is Harsh Srivastav, but he will replaced by Alok Mishra from August 1st. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Karnataka government has cleared the formation of Karnataka Digital Economic Mission. The company will promote how many startups? 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. The correct answer here is 7,000. Recently, Karnataka government has cleared the formation of the Karnataka digital economy, and by this program, 7,000 company will got the startups from the Karnataka government. Okay, Karnataka is in news. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. The Chief Minister of the Karnataka is B.S. Yedurappa, and Vajubhai Vala is the Governor of Karnataka. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 8. Which of the following has been selected for seed incubation program at IISc Bangalore? Digant Research and Technology, Dhruva Space, Exceed Space. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Digant Research and Technology. Option A is correct here. Okay, what is the full form of the SEED here? Society for Innovation and Development. Recently, Digant Research and Technology selected for Society for Innovation and Development Incubation Program in Bangalore. Okay, the Digantra is the India's first air and space surveillance company. Digantra is the India's first air, space and surveillance company. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who partnered with ICICI Lombard to announce the launch of hospital daily case benefit? PhonePe, Paytm, MobiKwik, free recharge. The free charge. The correct answer here is PhonePe. Option A is correct here. Recently, PhonePe tie up with ICICI Lombard to announce the launch of hospital daily case benefit. Okay, the PhonePe is established in 2015. In 2015, the headquarter of the PhonePe is situated in Bangalore. In Bangalore, headquarter of the PhonePe is situated. Okay, next question. Who has been appointed in advisory committee of BRICS Chamber of Commerce? Chamber of Commerce. Mukesh Ambani, Sahil Seth, Amartya Sen, Urjit Patel. The correct answer here is option B, Sahil Seth. Sahil Seth has been appointed an honorary advisor to the committee for the Chamber of Commerce of BRICS. Chamber of Commerce of BRICS. He is a deputy commissioner of Mumbai Customs. Okay, the Sahil Seth is the 2011 batch IRS. 2011 batch IRS. Okay, the BRICS. The how many countries are in BRICS? 5 countries are in BRICS. The name are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The headquarter of the BRICS is situated in Shanghai. Okay, what are the countries of the BRICS? Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa is the country of the BRICS, member country of the BRICS. Okay, this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss the answer in our next session. Our first question is, who has been appointed as new health secretary in Union Health Ministry? Our second question is, Prime Minister Modi will virtually inaugurate how many labs of ICMR? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Those who first visit educational wing, please subscribe this channel for the further updates. Okay, thank you.